Hey! Hey!
What is he like?
What do you want me to speak to you like?
Like a fucking normal person.
Like a normal person who gets in other people's taxis that they've just mine.
How were we supposed to know?
Well,
is there a list running off the back of the taxi?
Are we going home with
we
you
rang
then?
a taxi too.
You fell around
Are we going home with you then?
No.
That's what he's just said.
Best sex of your life. I'll give you the best sex of your life.
I am so angry I want to kill him.
Kiss a kiss
I
then.
actually want to kill him.
Listen, get out of my taxi.
No, seriously.
It is our taxi. Get out, love.
In my life. How the fuck? How the fuck are we supposed to know it's this taxi?
I'll tell you what, though.
How are we? How are we? Get off.
Hey, just do a sharp exit out of the left of that taxi.
I swear to God, I will. I want to fucking stab him.
Exactly. And if you stab me, you're going to bullet in your foot.
Well, not that door's open there.
Get out. I never I'm not a violent person, and I've never been so angry.
Hello, in a bit sexy bum.
You're a fucking wanker, Scott.
In a bit sexy bum.
You know what, love? You fucking rotten.
Hey, hey! You fucking slut, you dog. Hey, sort them fucking dangly tits out. Hey, sort them tits out.
You're the ugliest bastard.
Get on! You mix. Smack it there. Hey, see that fist will go in your face and I mean, you little slut. Fucking smackhead.
You fat mick cunt.
And you fucking out bitch. Fuck off. You fucking slut. Hey, get back to Ireland or wherever you're from, you fucking hoe. Dick breath. You've only come in for the smash, little slut. Hey, get a tan, you fucking white bitch. You bet your cold nipples. Hey, sort your tits out as well. Get on your chin, fucking suffocating them. Hey, get on the spot on your chin, you spotted gym bastard. They just beat tennis.
Ta-da, you fat mick tit!
Fucking Lord, that was fucking sick, man. Fucking slut, shut the door on me fucking hand, a little sweat. You like that then? See the spots on the chin, should have written off about them. Fucking big naughty fucking basketballs. Maybe they say in the front Beetle. They were going to Beetle. That's what they said.
We'll see you tomorrow with some big chesty fella.
Oh, bastard. Get on that, I zoomed in all the video.